Hello viewers, welcome to Android tutorial for beginner. Today I will describe the Android intent. So what is Android intent? Intent is the message that is passed between components such as activity, content provider, broadcast, receiver, service, etc. It is generally used with start activity method to invoke activity, broadcast, receiver, etc. So Android intent are mainly used to start the service, launch an activity, display an web page, display list of contact, broadcast a message, dial a phone call, send message, send email, etc. So there are so many options of Android intent. Types of Android intent. There are two types of Android intents in Android. One is implicit intent and another is explicit intent. Implicit intent do not directly specify the Android component which should be called. It only specifies action to be performed, and URI can be used with the implicit intent to the specific data type. Suppose we want to go to the Android any web page as like google.com. When click the button, then it redirect to the google.com. This time Android implicit intent called. There is the syntax intent, new intent action view dot parse UI. Here is the web page URL link. Another example, we can call phone call from Android apps. Then we can use the intent dot action call. The URI pass tailed, then your number. And another example, we can send message SMS from Android app, and another example is we can send email from Android apps. So this type of action we called by implicit intent. Explicit intent is the component, Android component. In such case, intent provide the external class to be invoked. Suppose we have there are two class, one is the main class, another is activity 2 class. When we want to jump one class to another, then explicit intent called. This is the first parameter is the main class, this application context, and second is the where we want to go. We want to go the second activity or activity 2 dot class. Then start activity, the parameter is intent. So explicit intent is called the internal component, internal class called by explicit intent. Thank you so much.